Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome back friends. This is MI 55-inch Smart Android Edge Type LED TV. In this TV the complaint is double image and color changing picture for 10 to 15 minutes after that it goes to no display blank screen fault. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. If both sides of panel Gatesignals are short, then it's difficult to repair. Here this TV comes with a Samsung panel. While disconnecting the right side FFC cable, half portion of the picture is clear. This means that the problem is with right side Gatesignals. So here we using the taping method solve the complaints. These are the Gatesignal tracks to block. But always remember that this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis, and the complaint is solved by modifying gate signals. Anyway, that's it. This is just only a short video. Hope you like this. Thank you for watching.